What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I went ahead, I did a check-in on Sunday, so I'll go ahead and show that, and then we'll hop into this bin. Okay, so here's a quick check-in. You can see, looks like both sets of papers are moist. I did a quick baiting. The worms that were still in the castings. There's still a few hanging out on a piece of the zucchini. We'll see how these guys are making out. Oh, I'm like, I forgot to put the egg carton down there. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It busted through and there was a big slimy mass. Oh, the eggplant. Nice. Yeah, they're going to town. Cool. I'll just kind of cover it back up. Don't want to go too crazy. But typically, when I go to check in on it later on, everybody's always gone and away, so I just wanted to prove the worms are there. Woohoo! So I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. Okay, so that was some cool action with the worms. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed that. Like I said, I finally got in there fast enough, so now I can check to see if there's still worms hanging out in that feeding area. Jeez Louise. The paper, or the bubble wrap is definitely keeping the moisture up and keeping these worms nice and happy. This is when I baited out the worms. Okay, so let's see what's going on. I guess I'll go deep. I mean, there's still a few, but definitely not as much as the other day. And look at that darn piece of lettuce that I didn't put into the freezer. Oh, this was the eggplant. Oh, baby. Some sweet, sweet worm action. Cool. Look like a piece of cucumber. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I know I'm going to tear the heck out of that stuff now. Oh, that's very disappointing. These darn grapes. I'm going to give them a good squeeze when I do the feeding zone. And I have some more grapes. So I think I'm going to leave this up close to the top, so hopefully these worms can get out of it. And then I'll show you what I did with the other couple pieces of cob that I got out of the worm bin. Wow, still, oh my gosh. That's blowing my mind, people. It is blowing my mind. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It looks like it started to root. This is some crazy lettuce, man. Look at it. That's wild. Oh my gosh, I've never seen nothing like that before. I can't even kind of comprehend that. Okay, that's the corn. I can live with that. That one's pretty much disintegrated now. Okay, whew. I shredded some paper. I'm going to end up adding a toilet paper roll. And then I have a bunch of sales flyers. But let me get to these guys first. At least there is some worm. There's some worm action happening in there, but man, I just can't get over the fact that it looks like it's rooting. That is wild. Don't know if anybody else has ever seen something like that. Look at the root. Definitely let me know if you've ever seen lettuce go ahead and try to root in your worm bin. This is wild. I'm just going to put that on the edge. Oh, this is going to be nasty. Oh, there's so many worms though, I don't want to hurt them. I'll just squeeze each grape a little bit. Yeah, definitely don't want to hurt the worms. Just give this side a little flip too. Okay. Got a pepper that I lost to the frost. I went ahead, I made some zucchini muffins and was shredding it. So you can see some of the shreddings there. I got a little bit more salad goop. More grapes. Oh. Definitely try to bust them open. Here you go. I can put some into this egg carton here. Then I'll give them the old banana peel. Yeah, that should be good because then I'll have some feeding for the other bin. Ground up eggshell. And then Jason was asking what I was doing with those corn on the cobs that I took out. I took it and I put it in my Magic Bullet blender. So now that should go a lot quicker. And that's what I'll do. I'll leave that kind of more up, so hopefully the worms kind of come out of that. And then once that's somewhat done, I will break it up, blend that up, and then I can just add it to the bin, so I don't have to worry about waiting a long time for it to break down. Cover the feeding. So I'm still waiting for to make my worm chow back up, so that'll be good for this week. Maybe lift this up. See if they come out of that a little faster. Oh, you see, that's why I always fold it in on itself. That little worm in there. Okay. Well, thanks for coming along and checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.